Have you ever felt like your muscles are getting weaker with age even though you're eating well? Or maybe you've noticed that everyday tasks like climbing stairs or lifting groceries are harder than they used to be. Well, here's the truth. After age 60, your body naturally starts to lose muscle. It's called sarcopenia, and it affects up to 1 in 3 older adults. But what if I told you that just one spoonful of a simple natural ingredient before bed could help rebuild muscle, improve your strength, and even help you sleep better? Sounds too good to be true, right? Stay with me because today we're breaking it all down in plain, simple language. What causes muscle loss after 60? How can one spoon before bed make a difference? And which foods and habits could be quietly sabotaging your strength? Let's begin. First, let's understand what's happening inside your body. As we age, our muscle-building hormones like testosterone and growth hormone begin to decline. Our activity levels also tend to go down. And on top of that, we may not be getting enough of the right nutrients. This combination leads to sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength. You might notice your legs feel weaker or shaky. You get tired faster when walking. You're losing weight, but mostly muscle. You struggle to get up from a chair without using your hands. But here's the good news: while muscle loss is common after 60, it is not inevitable, and it can be slowed or even reversed with the right steps. And yes, one of those steps starts with a spoonful before bed. But before we reveal what it is, we need to talk about how your body builds muscle during sleep. Did you know that most of your muscle repair and growth happens while you sleep? That's right. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which helps repair muscles, strengthen bones, and restore your tissues. But here's the problem. If you're not getting good sleep or not giving your body the right nutrients before bed, your muscles won't have what they need to rebuild. And that's where our one spoonful solution comes in. In just a moment, I'll tell you what it is, how to take it, and why it works so well, especially for people over 60. But first, let's quickly go over the worst mistakes seniors make before bed that actually blocks muscle repair. Before we get to that powerful one-spoon remedy, let's talk about a common bedtime mistake that's quietly hurting your health: late-night sugar and empty carbs. Many older adults reach for snacks like cookies, white bread toast, or sugary tea before bed thinking it's comforting. But these foods spike your blood sugar, raise inflammation, and actually block the release of growth hormone during sleep. That means less muscle repair, more fat gain, and often poor sleep quality. So what should you do instead? Give your body the right kind of fuel, one that promotes deep sleep and delivers the nutrients your muscles need to recover. Let's finally talk about the one spoonful that makes a difference. So what's the one thing seniors should take one spoon of before bed? It's simple. 1 tablespoon of high-protein Greek yogurt, plain, unsweetened, or 1 teaspoon of collagen powder stirred into warm milk, or 1 tablespoon of chia seed pudding or nut butter if you're dairy-free. These may sound basic, but let me explain why they work. These foods are rich in slow-digesting protein, especially casein and collagen, which feeds your muscles during sleep, naturally calming, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Packed with amino acids like glycine and tryptophan, which aid in muscle repair and joint health. In fact, several studies have shown that a dose of 20-30 grams of protein before bed can improve muscle mass and strength in older adults, especially when combined with gentle daily movement. Even if you're not hitting the gym, your body still needs building blocks to maintain strength. That one spoon before bed, it gives your body just enough to rebuild, recover, and protect your muscle overnight. Of course, not every remedy is right for everyone. You should be cautious or talk to your doctor first if you are on a strict kidney diet or have kidney issues, have lactose intolerance or a dairy allergy, are on blood thinners and want to use collagen as it may affect calcium or vitamin K levels. And always read labels, avoid options with added sugar, artificial sweeteners, or processed oils. Go natural, simple, and whole. Your body will thank you. Let's review. Muscle loss after 60 is real, but it can be slowed. Sleep is when your muscles repair the most. Avoid sugary snacks before bed. Instead, take 1 spoon of a natural, protein-rich food. Over time, you'll notice more strength, energy, and even better sleep. It's a small change, but it creates big results. And the best part, it's safe, easy, and costs less than most supplements. Try it tonight and let your body start rebuilding, one spoon at a time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And for more senior health tips every week, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. You deserve to feel strong, capable, and well no matter your age. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.